Imagine walking into your home office, clearing off a tiny space on your desk no bigger than a paperback book, setting down a sleek block of aluminum, plugging it in, and slowly realizing that this single, unassuming device possesses enough raw computing power to completely humiliate a massive multi-thousand-dollar tower PC that takes up half your room. For decades, the desktop computer industry has forced us to accept a very rigid, compromising law of physics. If you wanted absolute earth-shattering performance, the kind of speed required to edit 8K cinematic video, render complex 3D environments, compile massive databases, or manage heavy artificial intelligence workflows, you had to buy a giant, heavy, power-hungry machine. You had to deal with loud cooling fans that sounded like a jet engine taking off under your desk, massive power bricks that heated up your room, and a tangled web of thick cables. But behind the scenes, Apple has been conducting a quiet, brutal war against the laws of computing scale. With the release of the brand new Mac Mini driven by the groundbreaking M5 silicon architecture, Apple didn't just iterate on a successful product line. They completely rewrote the rules of desktop computing. They packed a level of performance into a chassis so impossibly compact that it crosses the line between efficient hardware and pure electronic wizardry. But in doing so, they also created a highly calculated, deeply frustrating pricing trap that could completely ruin your purchase if you aren't paying attention. If you are a creative professional, a software developer, a student, or someone who is looking to upgrade their home setup and thinking about buying the new Mac Mini M5, you need to freeze exactly where you are. Do not add it to your shopping cart. Do not look at trade-in deals, and do not make a single financial move until you listen to every single word of this breakdown, because the desktop landscape is about to undergo a permanent systemic shift. We are going to expose the absolute, unvarnished truth about the Mac Mini M5, the mind-blowing hardware breakthroughs Apple wants you to focus on, the hidden hardware downgrades they hid in the baseline configurations, and the precise psychological tricks they use to make sure you spend way more money than you ever originally intended. Let's start with the physical reality of this machine. When you hold the Mac Mini M5 in your hand, it feels dense, metallic, and almost hollowly light, yet it represents the absolute pinnacle of minimalist industrial design. Apple has officially shrunk the footprint down even further, moving away from the classic square shape of the past and adopting an ultra-compact design language that practically disappears underneath a monitor or sits elegantly on the smallest studio desk. But the magic of this physical casing isn't how it looks from the outside. It's how it manages thermal energy. In a standard computer, heavy workloads create instant internal heat spikes. The computer responds by spinning up loud internal fans to pull air across hot copper heatsinks, creating a distracting background drone that ruins your focus. The Mac Mini M5 utilizes a highly advanced, pressurized internal thermal loop coupled with the insane power efficiency of the M5 chip. When you push this machine to its absolute limits, running heavy batch photo exports, compiling hundreds of thousands of lines of code, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Mac Mini remains completely eerily silent. The fan profile is calibrated to be virtually inaudible in a standard room environment. It draws cool air from a microscopic